Do you have a tomato and eggs? Then cook a simple recipe within 3 minutes. Cut 2 tomatoes into round shape. You can make this recipe with 3 ingredients that you already have. Break 6 eggs into a bowl. This recipe is tasty and anyone can make it at home. This egg and tomato recipe is so tasty and delicious and prepared very easily in 2 or 3 minutes. Add 1/4 tablespoon salt. Add 2 tablespoon pepper powder in it. Beat very well. Then slice the cheese into small pieces and put it to a bowl. Take a fry pan, put it into flame. Add 2 or 3 tablespoon oil in it. Then place sliced tomatoes in pan. Pour the beaten eggs on the tomatoes. Then put the sliced cheese on the top. Cook over low flame, well covered. Tasty and delicious egg recipe is ready now. Serve it to a beautiful bowl.